Members of the Assembly Judiciary Committee, the Independent Glass Association, opposes Senate Bill 988 unless amended. Proponents frame this legislation as a necessary consumer protection measure. A reading of the actual text reveals an administrative trap that will devastate locally owned auto glass repair shops across California. Safety standards are vital, but they cannot be used to strip Californians of their contract rights and consolidate market control into the hands of out-of-state corporate networks. We fully support the bill's safety provisions. Mandating clear written disclosures for advanced driver assistance systems and calibration procedures is the right thing for motorists. The flaw lies in the new requirement that a consumer must obtain an official claim or referral number before their local shop is legally permitted to contract with them. Instead of going straight to their chosen independent shop, the consumer's path is blocked. They are forced into a mandatory detour through an insurer-controlled system. These call centers are frequently managed by third-party administrators who act as direct competitors to the local shop. When a consumer calls for that required number, they are often routed to entities like SafeLight. Proponents insist this is a simple 2-minute phone call to verify coverage. The reality on the ground is a maze of hold times, delayed authorizations, and confusing scripts. This bottleneck does not verify coverage. It operates as an intentional mechanism to intercept and redirect customers away from independent California businesses. The bill also prohibits the assignment of benefits. This strips away a post-loss civil right that allows local shops to advocate and handle claims disputes on behalf of their customers. Without this tool, consumers will be forced to pay out-of-pocket for safe, manufacturer-compliant repairs, and then fight massive insurance companies on their own for reimbursement. Furthermore, the bill's broad anti-inducement language fails to distinguish between actual claims fraud and a local shop's lawful marketing, basic discounts, or community outreach. Yet the text completely omits any anti-steering protections. It places heavy restrictions on small businesses while granting a legal safe harbor for third-party administrators to continue steering consumers to their own preferred shops. The result is a deeply skewed economic playing field that penalizes local artisans while legally shielding corporate monopolies. To correct these flaws, 3 specific amendments are required: protect the consumer's right to post-loss assignments, eliminate the claim number bottleneck, and introduce strict enforceable anti-steering provisions. We urge the Judiciary Committee to demand these amendments before allowing this legislation to advance. Consumer safety is essential, but it must not serve as a Trojan horse to limit civil rights and hand control of the California auto glass market to massive claims networks.